I've been hearing a sound on the back of my truck since 1992. And the old Dodge pickup truck of mine, but I keep on hearing this country bell when I drive this truck around town with this old country road. But I just keep on hearing a sound far away where I'm at tonight in 1945, but I'm still going downtown in this old Dodge truck tonight on a Friday night when I hear this country bell ringing again. When I go downtown into this old red dirt road tonight on a Saturday night when I'm running 89 miles an hour because this city line really got a hold of me on a Friday night when I go see this country bell in 1994, where that county line been on me ever since I've been grown up in Nashville, Tennessee. Well, I'm still going now where that old country line is, because this country bell really got a hold of me on a Friday night with all them good old buddies of mine, because I'm moving to Nashville, Tennessee, see this country bell tonight. But I'm moving to Nashville. I go having a really good time when I go on the highway and the interstate with all them buddies of mine. But I'm going downtown with this Dodge pickup truck to this dirt road tonight. But I'm still seeing that country bell in 1987. We're having a really good time. But my dream is to move to Nashville with this Dodge truck. But I'm